You can talk to us.
Hey brother.
Yes, my friend.
These two brothers.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I really appreciate them. They love us like a brother.
And you love us like a brother, and that's why we're here.
That's why we're here, brother. Thank you so much, man.
So it's like I'll take you to a new place.
Come now. I will walk with you.
Okay,
brother.
come, let's go. Another guy saw that we were walking with him and signaled ki don't go with him.
You want something?
No, we don't want anything. We just want one beer.
Huh?
We want one beer. Hey.
Where was he taking us?
So today we're in Kalba Devi, a very chaotic and legendary neighborhood in South Mumbai. This is one of the city's oldest market districts. The place has been a trading hub since the 18th century, originally home to, of course, Gujarati and Marwari traders, named after the goddess Kali. Kalba Devi में आपको सब मिलेगा. यहाँ पर Zaveri बाजार है. अगर आपको चांदी सोना खरीदना है, आप वहाँ जाओ. आपको कपड़े खरीदने हैं, fashion, textile, all of that wholesale fashion market. That's the Mangaldas market. So we're going to be hitting up some of the neighborhood's dive bars. The goal is to find the shadiest bars possible.
Okay, we found the right gang to do this.
Yeah. We're starting with the iconic one,
Okay.
Kit Kat, because some of you in the comments told us to go check out Kit Kat.
Yeah, always
So we're gonna
good.
start with Kit Kat and munch our way through to some 5 stars.
Oh.
Yeah, you know.
Oh my god, okay.
All right, okay. So let's do it.
Kingfisher Strong is cheaper than Kingfisher normal. Officer's Mess or something.
Officer's choice.
What is that, dude?
Bro,
I've never-
yeah, Officer's choice blue. You wanna try it? It's cheaper than the old Monk, brother. That'll tell you a thing or two.
Wow.
2 ultra दे दीजिए
और 3 mug दे दीजिए.
और 3 mug दे दीजिए. You can also order 2 slices of bread. So if you're a dog,
You can $15. You're chilling.
you're chilling, brother.
Chicken 95. What is chicken 65? What is chicken? What is this?
You think-
30 that they were.
The clientele at these places are more loyal than any other like fancy bar and all, right?
Yeah.
अच्छा ये बताओ chicken 95 में क्या होता है?
95 में कांदा शिमला आएंगे उसमें.
Let's do a Kit Kat hot, यार.
Bring it, brother.
A
bring
Kit
it.
Kat hot. Thank you. So, bro, what are you feeling? The vibes. I'm really into them.
I love it.
Yeah.
You know, these are the types of places that I love going to. Like last time when we've done an episode of the town ones.
Yeah.
That was actually the really fun one.
Yeah.
Like sunlight and all was too good.
Yeah.
Abhinav thought it was too scary.
I don't
But
know.
fuck him.
Yeah.
I wasn't in the mood to drink
Kadak.
today.
But now
now I am.
we already slammed the first one.
Yeah, we already had one round of this. This is the second round. This might be the best Szechuan I've had so far in Mumbai.
for sure.
In a bar.
Chili chicken with cheese, essentially, right? That's what it is.
Yeah. It smells like it.
I would have it again. Only
Yeah, he's. Our standards are very low.
It's crazy that even the crowd here, I think, is a little better than Gokul.
Yeah, it's not a party crowd. Doesn't seem like it.
It's a post-work, let's grab a
Yeah.
couple of pints kind of a crowd. अगर कुछ हमें खाने के लिए चाहिए Fuck, sorry. Masala. I like the use of not using the words. They put chicken and then
lollipop, garlic, Szechuan, dragon, 65, 95.
Chinese bale. Oh, Chinese bale chicken क्या होता है, brother? Okay, ये गाने हम खुद प्ले करवा सकते हैं ना? कैसे होता है ये?
नीचे जूक बॉक्स रहेगा.
हाँ.
और मेरे सामने एक गाने का 20 रुपया.
तो jukebox में डाल सकते.
So we have to go do that.
तो करते हैं. Yeah, how do we? Is there a search option?
Top 30. Damn, this is BP. Okay, Sakshi, brother, you know what's up. I'll put it. You put.
Okay, put it here.
We're gonna double team this bitch.
शराबी क्या शराबी तुझे मिला रहे साथी.
Oh, it's a class. It's good.
Yeah, good one.
How much damages are we guessing, bro?
I would say like 2100.
I'm gonna say 1300. इश्क बड़ा बदनाम है, इश्क भी मेरा खुदा है, आशिक तेरा नाम है. So we found a couple of good spots here. The second spot that we're heading up is
This is also looking
yes
good.
sir, Jyoti, he's got one of these entrances.
Oh.
One of these entrances. Also, you'll see the real one, brother. On your left only, you'll see. You see where it says Deshi Bar?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, brother. This is the one, brother. This is the one, brother. Famous.
Okay, anyway, let's go to
Yeah, let's go to Lalit. Lalit Bar and Restaurant.
Okay. Looks pretty cute.
Yeah, looks kind of cute.
We've come to a real uncle.
Yeah. So, like 70% of the uncles in this area is wearing white. They're all like
Office
government,
uncles,
of government, banks.
So we might not be able to film for longer, but
Vibes are immaculate.
yeah, it's like feeling like I'm in the stock market or something.
The bar is fucking looking blue and banging. We've got this fucker rolling in stealth mode. Dude, they're really serious though. Even right now, someone stopped me.
What?
Because they saw I was walking around like this, like literally,
Oh
yeah,
my
so it's like
God.
fucking. Yeah,
It's a
well,
hardcore place.
yeah, hardcore place. Time to die.
No problem. Go in. Cheers.
Cheers, boys. Cheers. Cheers. Niche.
Let's try this one.
Shezwan's good. Chakli's not as good.
I actually prefer this chutney. I prefer more kacha, slightly more kacha. I think kacha was the best. Is Shetty Bar just a place that's owned by a Shetty?
So essentially, a Shetty bar.
Like a low-end place owned by Shetty.
Yeah.
सबसे पुराना
सबसे पुराना यही है, ये 30-40 क्योंकि इतना बड़ा है.
There's nothing so like the vibe is different, so it's nice. But I don't know if there's anything here that's really calling back for me. Like
Sure. You wanna get some of those 50 rupees ka dry fruit packet?
in 20 years, I'll get. I would say 1600. कितना है? 1225.
1250. Bro, तूने कितना बोला?
1314
मैंने 1600 बोल दिया.
Damn, okay.
Well-
Not bad, man.
Very cheap.
Very cheap.
Like Wong's is a fancier version of this.
For sure.
You know what I mean? This is a similar concept. Similar
Yes,
concept to Wong's.
Yes. All right, brother. Stop number 3. Yeah, so this bar, we don't know if we're gonna get. I love this saloon.
One of these episodes in between, we should get a shave.
Yeah, we could get a shave, bro. I love a side quest in this.
Yeah, a little side that we should add that into the episodes.
Yeah,
Like
and a little side
random
quest.
side quest.
Yeah. नहीं इसको कर रहा है यार, आपको नहीं कर रहा. आपको नहीं कर रहा यार, बिल्ली को कर रहा है. This is the one, brother. It's called Famous Trinity Bar.
Is that it?
This is the one, bro.
ऑर्डर चाहिए कौन सा फ्लेवर चाहिए फ्लेवर कौन कौन सा है नींबू फ्लेवर है बड़ी सब फ्लेवर है संतरा फ्लेवर है
No, I'm very interested to see this.
I'm also very interested. I've never had this in my life.
ज्यादा तो नहीं चढ़ेगी ना हमको.
Cheers.
ठीक है.
यार ठीक है मतलब
ऐसा इतना कड़क भी नहीं है. ये तो सही है यार, ऐसी कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है यार इसमें. This is the honestly some of the best salt and pepper shakers I have ever seen in my life.
नहीं ये तो पूरी खत्म करना है, कहीं जितनी बची है.
Let's fucking slam an omelette.
Should we doing some of this?
Yeah, you
I have to use it while this.
Omelette is an underrated chapna, man.
every place every episode that has happened almost there's people have been the most friendly here
Yeah, for sure.
like we had no problem getting in shooting people being so I don't know they're just so cheerful and like chill.
Well, we know the answer.
Should we try another flavor?
What is ghari soap, bro? It says Dilbar Soft.
Or sonf?
But what is ghari soap?
I don't know. He kept saying ghadi soup, so I kept saying ghadi soup.
But what does that mean?
That means that
Soft ही है ना?
Oh, bhai.
Is it like fucking absinthe at this point?
Desi Jaeger hai, Desi Jaeger. Yeah, after this, I think we're gonna be fucked.
Bro, अभी आप तो जवान हो यार.
ये दारू
आपका बाल सिर पे इससे कम बाल तो मेरे दोस्तों का है यार. आप
ये एक बार पी लेगा ना कल बोलेगा मैं इधर ही जाऊंगा
नहीं बढ़िया, सही बात है, बढ़िया तो है.
ये जो दारू है बहुत गलत चीज है
दिलबर
Don't sing too much. पैसे दे दे.
ऑनलाइन.
ऑनलाइन है क्या?
हाँ भाई.
Surprising.
This is what I have to give it to the government, dude. UPI, boom, integrated even here, man. कितना है? 15. I guess we'll have to cut the smoking as part of it. But we're gonna try this out because for the experience, man. We're having some desi daru and some.
we're looking like fools over here. We're looking like fucking fools.
Ash कहाँ करे? Laveen पे.
I love this place.
Yeah, this I
We are
love.
definitely coming
Bro,
back.
this is definitely out of the 3 places. This was the friendliest, warmest fucking place.
I had the
man.
most fun.
No, you can come, brother. You can talk to us. You can talk to us.
Hey brother,
Yes,
Oh, so-
my
these
friend.
two brothers,
Yeah,
yep,
Yeah.
I really appreciate them.
I appreciate you,
Come with
brother.
us. They come in my lane, they stay in my lane. They love us like a brother.
And you love us like a brother, and that's why we're here.
That's why we're here, brother.
What is your name?
What's your name, bro?
Silva.
Oh, what a name! What a name! What a name!
Come now, I will walk with you.
Okay,
brother.
come, let's go.
Brother,
Ah.
when you have Puccino, you know how to fuck now. Come now, brother. If you want something,
No, we don't want anything. We just want one beer.
huh?
We want one beer. Hey.
Okay, you want one beer only. Then we can buy it from the wine shop.
Okay, so wait. We'll also.
Where was he taking us?
It did seem a bit sketchy. We can't take that risk because we still want to be alive. at the
So
end of the day.
basically, our Goan friend, I think, he was like, I'll take you to a new place. Another guy saw that we were walking with him and signaled ki don't go with him. I don't know what he was leading us to. Maybe he was leading us to something amazing.
But you know,
that we
Charles
missed out on.
Sobraj was also fucking charismatic as hell, you know. So we gotta stay alive, man. You know, we gotta stay alive.
I feel like we maybe missed out on something cool.
Possibly, very
But
possibly.
I'm not willing to take that risk,
Yeah.
so we didn't go.
The 10% chance of it having been a fucking incredible spot are very high, but 80% of the chances.
That guy was very he thought was like don't go.
Yeah.
So
He was like,
who knows?
and we're gonna give the benefit of the doubt to the people who seem to care about us a little bit.
Yeah, Ahmad seemed to care about us a lot. He really cared about us, man.
When we have a beer, should we?
Upar, niche.
After this beer, if I see him downstairs, I will take him up on the offer. Cheers, lads. What's the verdict, brother?
Okay. Oil heavy. But okay.
Very oily.
At this point, it doesn't matter. One thing has to be said. Every single place we've been to tonight, all of them, the hallways smell like puke. Little bit.
The floor is littered with, oh my god, I fucked
Like
myself.
same thing happened to me. Bhai Shazwan.
Cheers, lads. Last one for the night. ये पैक
pack
हाँ पार्सल कर दो यार.
अभी हंसे नहीं यार
I was actually really disappointed at first when I was coming tonight
Yeah.
because I was like, यार शिवम मुझे थोड़े like expensive places ले जाओ यार.
Last time we
थोड़े
did.
fancy places ले जाओ. यार.
Alternate that shit up, brother.
No. I take it all back.
But
I'm
after-
very happy.
मतलब मैं फैंसी बार्स में गया
हाँ.
बट आज जो मजा आया ना
वो तो मजा अलग ही है.
वो मजा अलग है.
वहाँ संतरा मिलता है और ये सब मिलता है. हम पी क्या है अभी? तभी हम थोड़ा इस तरह आए. Shall we chug it?
Yeah, okay.
Chugging.
Our cameraman was so drunk he forgot to turn on the audio. So
बीवी आ जाती है, भाई आती है.
नहीं वैसे मैं मानता हूँ. दोस्त
हो ना थोड़ी.
दोस्त के मेरा दो रही है. दोस्त ये बात तो आपने सही बोल दी यार. ये बात आपने सही बोल दी भाई. ये बात आपने सही बोल दी. ये बात सही.
अब जिंदगी दोस्त खिला दो.
100%. Best episode till now.
honestly, for us,
For us, best episode till now.
experience-wise, best episode.
Rank them in order of how you enjoyed them.
Easy ranking.
Go for it.
Number one
Yeah.
was this Desi Daru spot over here.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna tell you the name.
Okay.
Because I don't want you to go there. Because if you go there, then other fuckers will go there, and then it will fuck up the vibe for us.
Yeah. So if you're really into it, you will maybe.
Hey, come here, our friend is back. Let's go.
Oh, he's called me Kyaji, man.
Call him Catchy, brothers.
Catchy, let's go. But
Okay, अच्छा हम complete करने दो हमें यार.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Sorry.
so number one was that place. I'm not gonna explain anymore.
Yeah.
Number 2 was Kit Kat because it was. I think Kit Kat is more compared. You can compare it better to Gokul.
Yeah.
But it was a much better Gokul.
Yeah.
It was cheaper. It was nicer.
Yeah.
There was a jukebox. We played Saki Saki Re and had a great time.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Third was probably Lalit. Lalit was a whole nother scene only that I had never seen before. It
Same.
was like an uncle vibe.
Yeah. An uncle dive bar, very
An uncle
specifically.
dive bar.
Yeah.
Very fun.
नहीं रुक जाओ.
We'll come back. And then fourth was Felicia. And then fourth? Number four was Felicia because that was just the last place of the night.
So I pretty much agree with everything that Sid said here, ranking wise. The only thing that I want to do a special mention to, I love a jukebox situation. I think it's just amazing, man, that I can pick a song. And it's just so novel. I love that. Lalit, like you said, Uncle Bar, Kit Kat, I think one of the best dive bars that I've been to. Chill, relax, pricing is as it should be for a dive bar.
Yeah, fuck you, Gokul.
Yeah, fuck you, Gokul, honestly. And slightly better than Sunlight because Sunlight's a little too dangerous.
I like it.
Okay, sure, I also like it, but I think it's thoda less danger lag raha tha. That's what it is. If you know any good places in and around town or around Bombay or around the country, let us know and we will check them out.
And you take it away.
Yeah?
I'm gonna chuck this cigarette
Yeah.
into my mouth. Like Rajnikant.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Stay unsober, boys and girls.
Stay sober.